In this video, we're going to talk about how to make the f sound. This is a long, quiet sound, like this. Here is the Jolly Phonics picture for this sound, and the action that we use goes like this. You can use this action to remind your child to make the f sound when they are practicing. Now, some children find this sound a bit tricky and they might swap it for different sounds. A common sound that children often change f to is the short sound b. For example, they might say bish instead of fish. So to make our f sound, we need to use our bunny teeth. We need to put our top teeth onto our bottom lip and blow out like this. This is called our bite and blow sound, and you should be able to feel the air blowing onto your bottom lip. So let's make the f sound on its own first. Using a mirror can be really helpful so that your child can see their mouth and can make sure that they are using those bunny teeth. Once your child can make the f sound roughly 8 out of 10 times correctly, we can start adding vowels to make some silly sounds. We do this by making our f sound, having a small gap in the middle, and then adding a vowel, like this. F, E, f, oo, f, ah. Then we can try squashing our sounds together like this. Fee, foo, far. You can also swap the sounds round so that we use the vowel sound first, like this. E, f, oo, f, ah, f. And then we squash them together like we did before. Eef, oof, arf. Once your child can make these silly sounds with no gap in the middle, we can start using the f sound in some short, simple words, like this. Food, fan, farm, foot. Thank you for watching. Please see our website for more information and activities, or talk to your speech and language therapist about how to develop this sound further.